Pulse Pro is all about bringing accountability and efficiency to your workshop by defining who does the dispense, when and where the fluid was dispensed, which actual fluid was dispensed, and ultimately why that fluid was dispensed. Bringing that accountability and efficiency to your workshop then translates into reduced losses, into a more accurate billing towards your end users, and into a better stock management. The first thing a technician does at the meter is identify himself by entering a personal PIN or by using an NFC tag that he holds close to the meter. He will then enter a work order in that meter. The work order will be validated against the dealer management software. Then the technician is allowed to do a dispense. Once that dispense is finalized, the accurate fluid type and quantity is transferred back to the DMS software. Pulse Pro integrates with different dealer management systems. The advantage of that integration is that it'll allow you to further streamline your internal processes by using only one single software platform to manage your work orders on the one hand and automate accurate billing towards your customers on the other hand. The system is completely wireless, which makes it very easy to install, and your technicians do not lose time because they can handle everything at the dispense meter. Advanced reporting within the Pulse software allows you to generate automatic and customized reports, send automatic emails to your fluid suppliers, and have a permanent record of your dispense history.